Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Fanwood, New Jersey, and we are going to install a Hydroslide slider in satin brass finish. Satin brass happens to be, thankfully to house designers and Pinterest, happens to be one of the most sought after finishes now. So demand is very high, and sadly there aren't too many options as far as for the sliders that do come in stock in satin brass. So for this one, we actually got the sliding hardware powder coated to a satin brass finish to try to match the hardware a little bit closer. Now the real difficulty about satin brass is the manufacturers can't make up their darn mind what tint satin brass is. So sometimes satin brass comes very light, sometimes it comes very dark. Like this one here has a sort of, even like a rosy type of color to it, more golden, and even though it's brushed, you can still see a reflection on it, so that's difficult to match. So hopefully our hardware will match pretty close. All right, and let's see how this turns out. Just gonna keep it cool. Again, be patient. Turning light. So I'm gonna go ahead. So there she is. So this is the Hydroslide series in satin brass, all completed. Again, we're in Fanwood, New Jersey. So if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.